Your time is over. You please sit. माननीय श्री वाइको, ऑनरेबल वाइको, ऑनरेबल वाइको, ऑनरेबल वाइको, ऑनरेबल वाइको, मिस्टर वाइको, मिस्टर वाइको, योर टाइम इज ओवर. आपका समय खत्म हो चुका है काम का. मिस्टर वाइको, मिस्टर वाइको, मिस्टर वाइको, you have 3 minutes. Mr. Vaiko, you have 3 minutes. I am calling you, Mr. Vaiko.
Why do you punish me like this?
Then please, Mr. Vaiko, 3 minutes. Mr. Vaiko, 3 minutes. 3 minutes. 3 minutes.
3
Please
minutes
speak.
only.
No, your time is over. Please, 3 minutes.
He has
Please.
to complete.
No, sir. He has completed. You please speak. 3 minutes.
You are a very generous deputy chairman.
Sir.
Therefore, you have allotted 3 minutes.
I have not allotted. It has been allotted as per the rules and procedure. You are very senior man, Vaiko ji. You are very senior man. Please, please.
Some 4 months back, a conference was held in Allahabad, Prayagraj, by the RSS and Hindutva forces. They released a memorandum, 32 pages. In that memorandum, the very first paragraph deals with the name of the country. Hereafter, India should not be called India. India should be called only Bharat. And the second suggestion, they say in that memorandum, the Muslims and Christians will not have voting rights, and they have to go out of this country. Yes, it has appeared all in the newspapers.
You please substain.
It has appeared all in the newspapers.
No, sir. You please substain.
Sir.
You cannot report on the newspapers. आप इसको substantiate करिए.
We are not bothered.
Please.
You have passed the
आप
resolution.
substantiate
Could
करिए.
you implement that?
Otherwise, it will not
Could you
go the
implement
record.
that? And the capital city of India should be transferred from Delhi to Varanasi. This is also in the memorandum. The memorandum was
Please
distributed by
substantiate
the
and give me a
Hindutva forces.
record.
Sir,
You
the
have
Tamil
to
Nadu government
substantiate it.
has certain additional rupees 6,675 crore in relief funds for both temporary and permanent restoration efforts. Chief Minister submitted a memorandum to the interministerial central team requesting this substantial grant to facilitate rehabilitation work in the wake of cyclonic Bengal's destruction. 2 years back also, last year also, the union government has not released adequate funds, grants when our state was impacted by Michang cyclone. This is clearly discrimination against our state and stepmotherly treatment. The Minister of Home Affairs, who is releasing the disaster relief fund, has victimized our state just because we are against your Hindutva policy, RSS policy, and imposition of Hindi and Sanskrit. Sir, Tamil is the mother tongue of nearly 120 million people living in more than 114 countries of the world besides India. Sri Lanka, Malaysia, Singapore. Arinyar Anna, the founder of DMK, made a wonderful speech on the floor of the Rajya Sabha in '63. He stated that all the state languages, national languages, should be made official languages of the country. Then only the unity and integrity will be protected. Sir, I would like to ask the Home Minister, when he visited first time, he said Hindi will be definitely imposed. Then an agitation started in 1965. See, I am a product of the anti-Hindi agitation. I was in prison for 6 months for banning the Constitution.
Your time is over.
I have banned Article 17 of the Constitution in a public place.
Time is over, sir. Time is over.
Therefore,
Thank you.
even the
Thank you.
poor
Thank
people
you. Your
who
time
do the
is over.
digital transaction
Not
like
going
credit
on
card.
record. और आपने जिस डॉक्यूमेंट को कोट किया है, you have to authenticate and give it on here. Give it on here table, please. Please, it's over. Now, not going on record. Shri Mahendra Bhatt, माननीय श्री महेंद्र भट्ट, 10 मिनट. Not going. Your time is already over, sir. Please.
उप सभापति महोदय, मैं आपका हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ.
5 मिनट, 5 मिनट.
आपने
5
मुझे
मिनट आप बोले.
विभाग के कार्य
आप बोले.
बोलने का अवसर प्रदान किया है.
रिकॉर्ड पे जारी.
महोदय,
आप बोले, आपकी बात रिकॉर्ड पे जारी.
गृह मंत्री जी के